In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a PS5 controller on a PC using Steam. Whether you're a gamer looking to enhance your PC gaming experience, or someone simply wanting to leverage their PS5 controller's unique features, connecting your controller to your PC via Steam is surprisingly straightforward. So let's dive in and explore how you can make this happen in just a few easy steps. First things first, you'll want to open up your Steam application. Make sure you're running the latest version, as updates often include important improvements that ensure smooth compatibility. Once Steam is open, you'll need to locate and click on the login button. This is typically found in the upper right hand corner of the app. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Go ahead and do that now, ensuring you input your credentials accurately to gain access to your account. Next, click on sign in. If you've entered your information correctly, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. From here, look towards the top left corner of the window. You'll notice a menu option simply marked Steam. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop down menu. This is where you'll configure the necessary changes to use your PS5 controller. In the settings window, you'll see a variety of options. We're interested in controller, so click on that. This section allows you to manage and configure how your controllers are recognized and utilized by Steam. Here you'll want to enable the PlayStation configuration support option. By checking this box, you're allowing Steam to recognize and configure tools necessary for your PS5 controller to function smoothly. Now that you've adjusted your settings, it's time to physically connect your PS5 controller. You can do this either by plugging it in with a USB cable or pairing it wirelessly via Bluetooth. For a wired connection, simply use a USB-C cable to connect your controller to your PC. For a wireless experience, ensure your PC's Bluetooth is on and pairing mode is activated on your controller by holding down the PS and share buttons simultaneously until the light starts flashing. Once your controller is connected, you should see it listed in the Steam settings. From here, Steam will recognize your PS5 controller, allowing you to use it in a variety of games. To make sure everything works perfectly, you might want to calibrate the controller's settings to match your personal preferences. This calibration process can be accessed through the same controller settings menu, and it aids in optimizing the sensitivity, responsiveness, and functionality of your device. And there you have it, you're now set up and ready to enjoy gaming on your PC using your PS5 controller. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.